Starting from 2021, systematic excavations of pits 3 to 8 have yielded over 15,000 artifacts by the end of 2022. However, as more artifacts are unearthed, questions about Sanxingdui are not decreasing but increasing. By analyzing trace elements in Sanxingdui bronzes and comparing them with bronzes from other sites like Jing, experts found a type of lead known as highly radiogenic lead or abnormal lead. Interestingly, artifacts from the late Shang period, such as the Ding unearthed in Hunan, and the For Sheep Square Zun, found in Hunan, used the same raw material from the same mine. In addition, researchers found phosphorus and calcium elements in these bronzes. Considering that phosphorus was discovered in 1669 and calcium in 1808, the question arises, how did ancient people, 4,800 years ago, discover and understand these substances' properties and cleverly apply them in bronze production? Moreover, phosphorus is highly reactive and cannot be exposed to air, so how did people at that time extract and preserve it? Since the artifacts unearthed so far are all related to sacrifices and rituals, what kind of occasion required such a large number of large sacrificial artifacts? The newly unearthed grid-shaped artifact from Pit 7 provides some insight.